Bonjour, bonjour, salut. Est-ce que vous allez bien? Est-ce que vous allez bien? Bon, nous continuerons notre leçon. Nous continuerons notre leçon. Leçon 30. Leçon 30. Les saisons. Les saisons. Guess what? Seasons. Seasons. 4 seasons. Le printemps, le printemps, l'été, l'automne, l'hiver. Le printemps, l'été, l'automne, l'hiver. Repeat please. Le printemps, l'été, l'automne, l'hiver. Fine. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Quel jour est aujourd'hui? What day is it today? Aujourd'hui. 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 Aujourd'hui, today. Yesterday. Yesterday. Demain. Demain, tomorrow. Après-demain. Day after tomorrow. Avant-hier. Day before yesterday. Yesterday. Demain, tomorrow. Après-demain. Day after tomorrow. Avant-hier, day before yesterday. Fine. Quel jour est aujourd'hui? What day is today? Aujourd'hui. Write the meaning. What day is today? Quel jour est aujourd'hui? Aujourd'hui, today, c'est jeudi. Today, it's Thursday. Or you can say aujourd'hui, c'est lundi. Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi. Aujourd'hui, c'est samedi. The day you should write. You know les jours de la semaine. Right? This is what we learn. And from tomorrow, this is the end of your basic French. We come for a revision from tomorrow. Lot of new grammar we have learnt. The entire grammar. I think we did a first revision 10 days back, 10-15 days back. After that, whatever we learnt, we have a revision. That will make everything clear. Okay, that will make so all the subjects, so for what you have learnt, everything clear. That will make it clear. Okay, this revision. Do attend the revision, and those who have not attended the previous classes also can come and join during the revision from tomorrow, from the next class. That will give them a new learning. Understand? So makes some people join from tomorrow at least. Okay, that will be a new learning for you. It will be a revision. Good revision. It will make everything clear. You may not have any confusions over grammar hereafter, after the revision. Okay, today's test. Take this test very seriously. It's very important. Okay, test number 7. It is based on lesson number 13. Répondez et prononcez. Reply and pronounce. Répondez et prononcez. See, in all the tests you might have seen, I give lot of importance to pronunciation because it's very important. Try to pronounce loudly. Yes, une porte. Yes, une porte. Is this a door? Is this a door? Is this a door? What should you say? All negative only you should answer. No, 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 no. I am showing a window. I am showing you a window and I am asking you the question. Yes, une porte. Is this a door? What will you answer? No. No. Ce n'est pas. Ce est, this is, add ne pas, ce n'est pas, une porte. This is not a door, this is a window. This is not a door, this is a window. Only in negative form you answer these questions. 5 questions, 5 answers. Example I have written here. No, ce n'est pas une porte. No, this is not a door. C'est une fenêtre. This is a window. Is this a bench? I am showing a door. Okay. I am showing a door and ask you, is this a bench? You must answer, no, ce n'est pas un banc, c'est une porte. I am showing a wall and I am asking you, is this a gloves? No. Is this I am showing you a bench and asking, is this a wall? No, this is not a wall, this is a bench. Is this a textbook? I am sorry, is this a notebook? I am showing a textbook. No, this is not a notebook, this is a textbook. You must answer in negative form, all negative form, and pronounce loudly. No, ce n'est pas une porte, c'est une fenêtre. Like this you must answer. How did you do the previous test? Les mois de l'année. That might have been easy, but beware of the accents. Some months have accents in their spelling. Okay, so hereafter we have a revision. This is the end of your basic French. Spoken French, I think it might take a little more time. Bear with me. We will do that also. Yesterday's test, keep record of all your marks. We will discuss. We will meet tomorrow in the next class. Till then, au revoir. Merci.